We saw that React is a library that helps us to create user interfaces. With React, we will be able to have applications that use a component paradigm. With React, we have a lot of flexibility to choose the development tools we want. Nothing is imposed on us. We are free to choose what we want to work with. With React, we are going to work what is known as the front end, that is, the part with which the user interacts directly. ASP.NET Core is a modern, cross-platform development framework optimized for high-demand cloud scenarios, not to be confused with the old ASP.NET that only worked on Windows. With ASP.NET Core, we can have a web API with which we will have the business logic of our application centralized, and also the data access layer with which we will interact safely with a database. With ASP.NET Core, we will work on the backend of our application. We prepared the development environment by installing Node, Visual Studio Code, among others. In addition, we created the React and ASP.NET Core application, which we will develop throughout this course.